the last day for 7 on sale. We have 7 online courses on sale, and today is the last day you can purchase them. If you purchase them today, you can study them anytime you want. And I want to tell you that they are good courses. The feedback that I've gotten from people who've taken these courses is it changed the way I hooked rugs, it changed the way I saw things, it enabled me to design my own patterns, it freed me up, all kinds of things. I mean, it's countless, the kinds of great words that I've heard about the learning that people have gotten from these courses. It's deep, insightful learning, and I like to share, and I'm happy to share with you what I know. And in each of these courses, you learn some really, really important ideas, thoughts, and just the depth of learning that goes with rug hooking. And I want to share that depth with you. So join me. Today is your last day, your last chance to buy the courses half price. And that's it. That's all I want to tell you. HookingRugs.com, 7 on sale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. HookingRugs.com. See you. Last day.